Hello everybody. Good morning. Well, actually it's not going to be morning once I post this, but it's morning for me right now. But I'll be honest, I really didn't want to do a video. I haven't been wanting to do YouTube videos lately, obviously, since I haven't really been posting. I kind of have a little bit of a sore throat today, but I just felt like I needed to come on here and keep at it. I've been doing YouTube and music for a really long time. I think I posted my first YouTube video when I was like 9 years old, 8 or 9. And so because I started when I was so little, my mom really helped me to like she helped shelter me from like the negative sides of social media and the internet and everything. And so like, I mean, at the start, whenever I'd get like mean comments or messages or whatever, I just wouldn't see them at all. And then she kind of helped me to understand that, like, I don't know, just to kind of block it out. Like, even if I saw them, like, they didn't affect me. But I feel like you kind of can't have one without the other. Like, because the negative comments and messages didn't really affect me, then the nice comments and messages didn't really affect me either. And, you know, like, everything that all the attention that I got online just kind of wasn't really real in my brain. Like, it didn't really matter. And lately, I feel like I've been like kind of retraining myself. And so when I read your guys' comments now and your messages, like, the nice ones, they actually are starting to mean a lot to me. And like, I've been opening myself back up to that, but then it also is hard because as I've been opening myself up to receive the nice messages, then also mean things hit harder. And I haven't really been used to that. Like, mean things have never really affected me online until lately. And so it's just kind of been like, why would I want to do this? Why would I want to keep, posting YouTube videos when I don't know. I've been feeling a lot of things. But just the last few days I've been thinking about, like, what do I want to do? Do I want to go back to school? Do I want to keep doing YouTube videos? I don't know. I've a lot of things have been going on, but I just decided to come out here today and do something really simple. Oh no, I think Billy just woke up. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, I didn't mean to say all that just like so you'd feel bad. I just kind of wanted to I was just saying it just to say it, I guess, to be honest about how I've been feeling. And like, it's not just people, like what people are saying, but also myself. Like, I just have been a little too hard on myself, I guess, lately. But this morning, I was feeling a lot better and woke up and did some studying and praying, and I'm feeling a lot better. And kind of the answer that I got this morning was just sit down, do a video of a song that you like, and be honest. So that's what I'm doing. And I think that's a really good start for me, because a lot of times just like accomplishing something whatever it is will help me like get more motivated to like get on a better track to just receiving more answers and inspiration and just have a better attitude, I guess. So here's my attempt at accomplishing something and just having a good time with it. So I'm gonna sing Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I love Christmas, and I'm just so grateful for this time of year that the world can celebrate something so special, and yeah, it's just amazing. I love Christmas time. I love everything about it. I took my daughter Billy to go meet Santa Claus last week, and it was so fun. Yeah, it was just, I just love Christmas time, and I know that we can find joy through Jesus Christ, and that's what this season is all about, finding joy, giving joy because of Him, because of His birth, because of His life, His death, His resurrection, and His life now. And yeah, so here is Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. It is probably it's definitely in my top favorite Christmas songs, but here you go. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, glad they're near to us once more. highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.